The musculocutaneous nerve is coming from the lateral cord. So it's coming from C5, C6 and C7. If you track it back, it is coming from those. And it supplies BBC. So MCN, musculocutaneous nerve. I'll write here, maybe there. Musculocutaneous nerve supplies BBC and the root value BBC and the root value is 5, 6, 7. So three alphabets. The musculocutaneous nerve in the arm after it supplies the biceps and the root BBC muscle is continuous as a lateral cutaneous nerve of the forearm. Three alphabets. Okay. The musculocutaneous nerve in the arm. Another important arm after supplies the biceps and BBC muscle is continuous as a lateral cutaneous nerve of the forearm. Median nerve does not supply the musculocutaneous nerve in the arm, but it supplies all the flexor compartment muscle. After supplies the biceps and BBC muscle is continuous as a lateral cutaneous nerve of the forearm. Median nerve does not supply the musculocutaneous nerve in the arm, but it supplies all these two flexor compartment muscle. After supplies the biceps and BBC muscle is continuous as a lateral cutaneous nerve of the forearm. Median nerve does not supply the musculocutaneous nerve in the arm, but it supplies all these two flexor compartment muscle. After supplies the biceps and BBC muscle is continuous as a lateral cutaneous nerve of the forearm. Median nerve does not supply the musculocutaneous nerve, but it supplies all these joint flexors medial to form the median nerve proper. Okay. Root value of median nerve, because it's a big nerve, its root value is from C5, C6, C7, C8, T1. Okay. That's root. Now, what does the median nerve? The median nerve supplies all the forearm muscles except the two we just mentioned, runs under the carpal tunnel, comes to the hand here, and then it gives off a recurrent motor branch of median nerve. Recurrent means coming back, which supplies the thenar muscles, which will be the abductor pollicis brevis, opponens pollicis, and flexor pollicis brevis.
So all the
okay? Thenars, the thenars. The rest of the median nerve continues down and then supplies the lateral two lumbricals and the cutaneous sensation to the 3.5 digits. Okay. So the mnemonic for the median nerve in the hand is loaf, lateral two lumbricals, opponens pollicis, abductor pollicis brevis, and flexor pollicis brevis. Okay.
What's the name of that nerve again?
Recurrent motor branch of median nerve. Okay. So that is all about the median nerve in relation to the brachial plexus.
Abductor pollicis brevis or opponens pollicis?
And flexor pollicis brevis. The third nerve that is of significance in the anterior aspect of the upper limb will be the ulnar nerve. Ulnar nerve, just think it's lying on the ulnar side or on the medial side. So that means it arises from the medial cord because it's medial. Ulnar nerve arises from the medial cord, runs behind the medial epicondyle, does not supply anything in the arm, supplies the FCU and the ulnar half of FDP muscles, runs over the retinaculum, that means over the Guyon's, through the Guyon's canal, comes to the hand and supplies all the muscles in the hand except loaf. So that will be all the palmar interosseous that adducts the fingers, all the dorsal interosseous that abduct the fingers, the medial two lumbricals, these two lumbricals, all the hypothenar muscles, and finally adductor pollicis, not abductor, adductor pollicis, that's an important muscle. Adductor pollicis, adduction of the thumb. Median ulnar. Now let's go back to the back of the hand. All the muscles in the back of the hand, back of the arm or the limb, including the arm, forearm and the hand, were all supplied by radial nerve. Everything. Okay? So that includes all the triceps, the three heads of the triceps, the lateral head, medial head and the long head of triceps, the entire extensor compartment muscles here which extend the wrist and extend the digits including the thumb. That's all by ulnar nerve. Okay? Sorry? Radial nerve. All by radial nerve. Sorry, radial nerve. Root value of radial nerve, it's a big nerve. Always whenever you think of big nerve, everything C5 to T1. Okay? So like median nerve, the root value is C5 to T1. Another nerve that comes off the posterior cord is a axillary nerve that supplies deltoid and one more muscle. Anyone? Teres minor. Teres minor is supplied by deltoid. Teres minor is supplied by axillary nerve along with deltoid. Okay, root value C5, C6 for axillary nerve. So the nerves that arise from the posterior cord, the mnemonic to remember is
C5, C6